Welcome everyone to today's lecture on the significance of clear and concise communication in presentations. One of the most critical aspects of effective presentations is the ability to convey messages clearly and concisely. In this session, we'll explore why clear and concise communication is vital and strategies to achieve it in your presentations. Number 1, clarity. Clear communication ensures that your message is understood accurately by your audience. Avoid ambiguity. Use language that is precise and unambiguous to prevent confusion or misinterpretation of your message. Simplify complex concepts. Break down complex ideas into digestible chunks and use straightforward language to enhance understanding. 2. Conciseness. Concise communication delivers information efficiently, keeping your audience engaged and focused. Eliminate redundancy. Remove unnecessary words, phrases, or information that do not contribute to the main message of your presentation. Get to the point. Present your ideas as succinctly and directly, avoiding lengthy explanations or tangents that may dilute your message. Number 3. Importance of clear and concise communication in presentations. Clear and concise communication is essential for several reasons. First one, enhance understanding. Clear communication ensures that your audience grasps the main points of your presentation without confusion or ambiguity. Maintain attention. Concise communication prevents information overload and helps maintain audience attention and engagement throughout your presentation. Professionalism. Clear and concise communication reflects positively on your professionalism and competence as a presenter. Enhancing your credibility and authority. 4. Strategies for achieving clear and concise communication. Let's explore some practical strategies to incorporate clear and concise communication into your presentations. Know your audience. Tailor your language, tone, and level of detail to match the needs and preferences of your audience. Avoid using technical jargon or industry-specific terminology that may be unfamiliar to your audience. Structure content. Organize your presentations in a logical and coherent manner with a clear introduction, main body, and conclusion. Use headings, bullet points, and visual aids to break up information and make it easier to digest. Practice brevity. Be concise in your speech and avoid unnecessary repetition or verbosity. Aim to convey your messages in as few words as possible without sacrificing clarity or completeness. Seek feedback. Solicit feedback from peers, mentors, or audience members to identify areas where your communication can be improved. Use feedback to refine your presentation and communication style, focusing on clarity and conciseness. Conclusion. Clear and concise communication is a cornerstone of effective presentations, enabling you to convey your message accurately and efficiently to your audience. By prioritizing clarity, simplifying complex concepts, and practicing brevity, you can enhance understanding, maintain audience attention, and elevate your presentation skills. The next lecture will discuss establishing credibility and authority in presentations. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.